Alright, तो अब सीन ये है कि आई हैव बीन डीलिंग विद एंजाइटी इश्यूज फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम एंड नाउ आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया हैज अ मेजर रोल टू प्ले देयर। आई टेल यू दिस बिकॉज आज अगर मेरे को कुछ उठा के सोशल मीडिया पर डालना है, आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर इफ आई एम डूइंग इट बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक इट और एम आई डूइंग इट जस्ट बिकॉज आई नीड सोशल वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम पीपल हु आर आउट देयर। I have no clue where my life is heading, but then I know this for sure that my ultimate aim in life is to reach a place where I'm actually doing things which actually brings joy and happiness and I'm not seeking for external validation from the world. That's exactly why I decided कि बहुत हो गया, I'm going to take a break from social media. Hopefully this would just give me some perspective and would really help me to deal with my anxiety issues. But उससे पहले थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, देख लो।
I must say, I feel blessed to have spent most part of my lockdown here. It's a remote place in Udupi district. Beach is just 8 kilometers away from home, and we've explored some really beautiful places before complete lockdown. I've spent the last 10 months here, and I can tell you this from my experience, that it's just a matter of time before you start having a major fear of missing out on things. We as humans want to feel so connected. I tend to go back to social media, where I'm mindlessly scrolling for hours to know what's going on with the world and to see what people have been up to. Quite frankly, it hasn't added much value to me on a longer run and has given me major anxiety issues to deal with. I sometimes feel blessed to have been brought up in the 90s without social media. And contrary to that, today I'm not sure how many people would pick up their phone and call me if I were not on social media. I run into major identity crisis. I no longer know who I am and what I want from my life. That's exactly why I decided to take a break from social media and spend some time exploring myself.
Right. So this is day 7 of me not using Instagram and Facebook, and quite frankly, I understand this is way too early to judge if the whole thing works or not. But then I've been able to sleep better. I've always wanted to pick up a book, which I've been able to do, and then my screen time has drastically dropped to less than 1 hour, which is crazy. But I definitely think I need to go back and do this for maybe another week or probably a month to see if the whole thing works. So let's see.
But I think the whole exercise has given me a lot of time to reflect back on life. I understand most people are using social media as an outlet for all the stress, frustration, and heartbreaks, or a place to share their thoughts and feelings on the tragedies of the world. While it might make them feel better, it certainly doesn't help those who are reading it. It is very hard for someone like me to not absorb some of the negativity. Hopefully, shutting down my network might help me refocus my time and energy on my own feelings. You get to a stage in life where you realize nothing is more precious than your mental health and peace. I guess I'm at that stage in my life. I set off to do something like this only for a week, but soon I realized I need to give myself some more time to feel any better.
So if there are other people who are actually suffering from anxiety or existential crisis, I highly recommend you to read this book, which goes by the name How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. He actually touches upon these 3 points which actually stayed with me.
Take a pen and a paper and write down your worry in precise detail. Write at least 3 courses of action you can take. Then make a decision and take action. Second, imagine everything that can go wrong with life has gone wrong. Accept yourself at the worst and ask yourself how can you improve upon that. When you accept yourself at the worst, it brings a lot of clarity. And lastly, to prevent any new worries from creeping back into your life, practice staying in a day-tight compartment, as cliche as it might sound. Imagine each day as a new life and tell yourself, I'll do my best today, tomorrow will take care of itself.